Hello and welcome to week 6. This week, the focus is evaluating the results and continuing to read chapter 5. The focus items can be seen here. You'll be looking at various areas of statistics and knowing what each of these things are and being able to either explain or define them so that you have a good understanding. And that should be clear from your reading. To make that a little easier, I've also placed a video for you, and it's quite short, but it does a very good job of explaining the difference between descriptive and inferential statistics. Now, you can see there's not a lot for you to do here. There is, of course, the discussion board, which you must continue to do. And you should have turned in yesterday your assignment 1, part B. And now I want you to be working on the third assignment, which is not due until the 7th of December, but certainly I encourage you to get it done sooner if you can. So let's take a look at that assignment. We scroll down and we can see here you're going to be evaluating procedures, results, discussions in the 2 literacy research studies that I have here. So one article is text genre and science content, ease of reading, comprehension, and reader preference. And the other is reciprocal teaching for the primary grades. We can do it too. So in your text, you have the template on page 95, and you're going to use that as your guide in completing this assignment. So make sure that you use each of these items. So you're going to ask yourself, did the researchers provide sufficient information about the procedures so that this study could be replicated with a different participant sample? Are the procedures relevant for the research questions identified? Are the instruments used in the study clearly defined? And do the identified instruments appear appropriate and sufficient to describe the variables investigated in the study? So I've broken that down for you here, and you can see here it is. And so this deals with the procedures, this deals with the results, and then the discussion. Is it clearly written? Is it relevant? Do the conclusions follow logically? Are there any implications, limitations, and recommendations? And lastly, state your reason for deciding if these studies should be generalized to other classrooms, if they should be repeated. So again, use the template on 95, but then come here and use this. Make sure you cover each of these items, and the discussion items. So that should keep you busy, certainly, and I know you're busy with your own lives and school, especially as we get into this holiday season. So I encourage you to get a head start on this so you can get this done, and then you'll only have your final writing to deal with. So have a wonderful week, and good luck.